So get on aboard the sound train. All aboard the sound train. Hook the sounds together, one by one, blending sounds together. That's reading fun. Get on aboard. All aboard the sound train. Hook the sounds together, one by one, blending sounds together. That's reading fun.
Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad you are back. This is lesson number 2. Now that you know your letter sounds, we can blend those sounds together to make words. Follow along with your eyes so you can see the letters and your ears so you can hear the sounds as they are blended together. Ms. Maria, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Well, let's go.
Our first sounds are k, at, k, at, k, at, k, at, cat. The word is cat. B, at, b, at, b, at, b, at, bat. The word is bat. Our next sounds are f, at, f, at, f, at, f, at, fat. The word is fat. Next we have h, at, h, at, h, at, h, at, hat. The word is hat. B, ag, b, ag, b, ag, b, ag, bag. The word is bag. Next we have h, a, mm, h, a, mm, h, a, mm, h, ham. The word is ham. G, as, g, as, g, as, g, as, gas. The word is gas.
Wow, you are doing a great job. It's time to do a victory dance.
Victory dance, victory dance. Let me see you do your victory dance. You read a new word, hip hip hooray. You are on your way, getting better every day. Let's keep on going with Phonics Is My Way.
Next we have f, a, n, f, a, n, f, a, n, f, a, n, fan. The word is fan. Next we have m, a, n, m, n, m, n, m, n, man. The word is man. Next we have p, a, n, p, a, n, p, n, p, n, pan. The word is pan. W, et, w, et, w, et, w, et, wet. The word is wet. L, egg, l, egg, l, egg, l, egg, leg. The word is leg. This next word has 2 sounds that are the same, e, g, g. But when we see 2 sounds together that are the same, we only say the sound one time. E, g, egg, 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 egg. The word is egg. P, n, p, n, p, n, p, n, pen. The word is pen. P, n, p, n, p, n, p, n, pin. The word is pin. Pig, 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 pig. The word is pig. Lip, 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 lip. The word is lip. Sip, 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 sip. The word is sip.
I feel another victory dance coming on. Let's do it.
Victory dance, victory dance. Let me see you do your victory dance. You read a new word, hip hip hooray. You are on your way, getting better every day. Let's keep on going with Phonics Is My Way.
Up, 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 hop. The word is hop. Up, 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 mop. The word is mop. Ox, 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 box. The word is box. Log, log, log. The word is log. Sun, sun. The word is sun. Run, run. The word is run. Bun, bun. The word is bun. Bug, bug. The word is bug. Rug, rug. The word is rug.
Great job. You are fantastic. I feel a victory dance coming on.
Victory dance. Let me see you do your victory dance. You read a new word, hip hip hooray. You are on your way, getting better every day. Let's keep on going with Phonics Is My Way.
You did a great job. I am so proud of you. Blending sounds to make a word can be pretty tricky, and it takes lots of practice. To help you practice, go get your mom or your dad or your big brother or sister, or maybe your auntie or grandma. Ask them to help you blend some more sounds together. Parents, it's so important that your child master the skill of blending sounds to make words. So please pause a moment and make sure they get plenty of practice before moving on to the next video. Since I cannot hear if they are saying the word correctly, your child needs your help. There are over 50 words that follow on the screen. Please take a moment to help your child become a confident, strong reader.